In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy on Dubizzle. Start by launching the Dubizzle app on your phone or opening the website in your browser. The interface is straightforward, and using an account helps you message sellers and track conversations easily. Next, head to the search bar at the top. Type what you're looking for, like a phone, a laptop, a sofa, or a car. The more specific you are, the better your results will be. You can include brand names, model numbers, or sizes to narrow things down right away. Now apply filters to refine the results. Choose the correct category so you're browsing in the right place. Set your location to find listings near you and adjust the distance if you're willing to travel. Use the price range to stay within budget and select the condition that suits you, such as new or used. Sorting by the newest listings helps you catch fresh deals before others do. Take a moment to tweak these filters until the results look relevant. When something catches your eye, open the listing. Look closely at the photos for clarity and consistency, and check for any signs of wear or damage. Read the description carefully to understand what's included and what's not. Compare the asking price with similar listings to see if it's fair. Finally, review the seller's profile for activity, response rate, and any available indicators that suggest reliability. If you're interested, contact the seller using chat, call, or WhatsApp. Chat keeps everything in one place and provides a written record. Be polite and direct. Ask if the item is still available. Confirm its condition, discuss the last price if you plan to negotiate, and agree on a convenient, safe meetup location. Clear communication now saves time later. Before committing, inspect the item in person. Meet in a well-lit public place when possible. Take your time to test basic functions, verify that the item matches the photos and description, and check for any missing parts or accessories. If something doesn't align with what was promised, ask for clarification on the spot. Once you're satisfied, agree on payment. Decide whether you'll pay in cash or via a secure transfer. Avoid paying deposits in advance and only hand over money after completing your inspection. Confirm the final amount and any included extras. Finally, complete the transaction. Exchange the item and payment, make sure you receive any accessories or documents, and keep a simple proof of the deal, such as a confirmation message. That's it. You've successfully bought on Dubizzle with confidence and clarity.